Biogas, turning waste into energy. Biogas is a naturally occurring gas. It forms when organic matter is broken down. Biogas has a positive effect on the environment because of its composition. It is much safer for the environment compared to other biofuels. Biogas is also able to turn waste into energy by breaking down waste using anaerobic bacteria or digesters. It is also a renewable energy source because it will never run out. Now we will look at some of the biological sources that produce biogas. Biogas is produced in landfills by normal decomposition. As this gas is produced, it usually escapes into the atmosphere. The landfills have started to capture this gas and use it for energy. Farms use anaerobic digesters to convert cow manure into biogas. Organic waste management use food waste to generate biogas by using anaerobic digesters as well. Lastly, wastewater facilities treat sewage with anaerobic digesters in which biogas is produced as a byproduct of this treatment. We will now look at how biogas is produced. The main way that biogas is produced is through anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion is when organic material is broken down by bacteria in sealed vessels called anaerobic digesters or reactors. These reactors prohibit oxygen from entering. Co-digestion is a form of anaerobic digestion where multiple organic materials can be combined in one reactor. Combining multiple organic materials in one reactor leads to an increase of biogas production from low-yielding waste. Since anaerobic digestion does not use photosynthesis or respiration, this means that the process in which biogas is formed must be fermentation, as it is produced in the absence of oxygen. Once biogas has been created, it can then be upgraded to RNG. RNG is formed when biogas is treated to get rid of carbon dioxide and other contaminants to increase the concentration of methane. We will now talk about the development status of biogas and RNG technology. Biogas technology has just deployed for the most part. It is used worldwide, but it is not as available to some countries as it is to others. The chart to the right shows the increase of biogas production among different countries over the last couple of years and how it is expected to increase. RNG technology is still in the developmental stages as it is an expensive process. There are a few countries that have this technology at the moment. Next is the impact of biogas on the carbon footprint. Usually when methane forms naturally, it is released into the air, which is harmful to the atmosphere. As biogas becomes more popular, more of this methane will be captured and used to create biogas instead. This leads to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Vehicles that use RNG natural gas produce 75% lower greenhouse gas than gasoline or diesel vehicles. This is due to its low carbon intensity and that it is a purified form of greenhouse gases. Now look at the economic impact of biogas. The biggest and most important impact that biogas production has is its ability to make money from waste. Cities are also able to save money on landfill and sewage management as biogas production uses these forms of waste and breaks them down into gas. The main challenge of biogas production is the cost of setting it up, as there is a lot of work that has to be done. Now we will look at how the public has been informed on biogas. Many cities have begun promoting RNG-powered buses. Buses are among the leaders in greenhouse gas emissions among vehicles, so by converting them to RNG, they are reducing the greenhouse gas emissions. Many waste management companies have begun promoting composting as well as food waste recycling. The process of biogas is that it is effective for many different reasons, such as reducing methane emissions, producing renewable energy, and converting waste into something useful. My recommendations would be to expand the use of biogas production in wastewater plants as well as farms. I would also recommend that countries incentivize the production of RNG instead of other natural gases. My plan for biogas production, if we had unlimited funding, would be to first build digesters at all farms, landfills, and wastewater plants. This would lead to much more biogas being produced while decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. I would expand the production of RNG due to the increase of biogas being produced. Finally, I would replace all natural gas vehicles with RNG powered vehicles, as these vehicles are much less harmful for our atmosphere. And then here are my references. Thank you.